Following the breaking news that the Supreme Court is closer than it ever has been to striking down Roe versus Wade, the landmark decision made almost half a century ago that legalized abortion. Lex Juarez is live at the steps of our nation's highest court right now, where she's been for a couple of hours. Lex, this news only broke literally 2 hours ago. At like 9 p.m. is when Politico released this article into the public. There are already, it looks like, hundreds, if not thousands of people behind you at the Supreme Court. What are you hearing from people that you're talking to tonight?
Well, you guys can hear behind me, it is getting louder. The crowd continues to grow. I'm going to step out of the way again. I'm going to give you guys a better look. We've got people from both sides of the aisle here chanting at each other. Directly behind me and in front of the camera, you can see these people who are with the progressive anti-abortion uprising. We've actually been following their story here on WDVM, as there were some fetuses found in the basement of one of their members. She is actually out here tonight. I have interviewed her and the president. They actually were preparing for their own anti-abortion protest outside of a Washington, D.C. clinic later this week. And when they heard that this news broke, they left to come out here and have been chanting against the people who are pro-choice. Now, that group is pretty large. On the other side, you can't see them too well, but you can see when you look this way that they are here just right in front of the steps of the Supreme Court, and the crowd getting bigger, the chants getting louder, and we are going to continue seeing that for the rest of tonight. And both crowds tell me they plan on coming back out here tomorrow, and that they will be out here until a final decision is made. Of course, you can count on us to continue to be out here to watch this, as that final decision has not yet been made by Supreme Court justices, and that was a draft document that was leaked today. Both sides telling me that the support and the optimism is something that the justices should pay attention to as they decide to make this decision. And of course, we'll be following along as we wait to see what that decision is. For now, live in front of the Supreme Court, Lex Juarez, WDVM 25.
I think what we're seeing happen behind Lex is a true testimony. It doesn't matter what time of the day news breaks. If people are passionate about it, they'll go out and either support it or oppose it. And like Lex said, we are expecting those crowds to get much, much bigger, not just tomorrow, but in the days and weeks ahead. Again, none of this is set in stone quite yet. We want to reiterate that. If the court decision is published as is, as we've been reporting, our nation's highest court is on track. They're paving the way to make abortions illegal in the U.S. Again, that has not happened yet.